How to verify Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Click on this option of help and support. Now head towards this option of help center. Over here you will find the search box. Type in request a blue verification badge. Click on it. Again click on this option request a verified badge on Facebook. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this option of fill out this form. Click on it. Verify your page or profile. Now you have to fill this. First you have to select what are you verifying. Select the option of profile. Now over here you can type in your profile link. Step 1. Confirm authenticity. You have to select your document type and then upload it. Step 2. Confirm notability. Select the category and then type in your country or region name. Likewise audience. Scrolling down. Over here you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your page or profile is in the public interest. After you fill all this, you can click on the option of send. With that, Facebook is gonna check your details. And if your Facebook account meets all the criteria to be verified, your account will be verified. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily verify Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.